Hello friends, today at Pruitt Truck Sales I'd like to show you this 2017 Ford F250 Super Duty regular cab with 8-foot utility bed. This unit is a 4-wheel drive. It's powered by the 6.2 liter V8 gasoline motor. Unit does have power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. 3 seats altogether. Cold air condition, AM/FM stereo. With the aux port there. This is your 4-wheel drive controller shifter there. This is your electronic locking rear differential. This unit has 143,000 miles. Third seat as you lift this console up here. Power ports there. The unit does have a rear view camera. Some toggle switches up here. I think this one on the end works your strobe light. It does have a remote control entry, flip key. This 250 Super Duty has a 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. That's the Redding body. It's a steel bed. Have a step bumper, tow receiver. This is a slide lock here. Padlock that, and that locks the entire side. Got that on each side. Just over 4 foot wide here. Of course, it's 8 foot long. Looks like it's got a pipe vise there. That pipe vise would slide in here. This is slides down like that. You can hold your pipe in position. Has the step bars on each side. Like a laptop computer stand there. But if you think this 2017 Ford F250 4-wheel drive utility truck will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt Truck Sales. Visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.